So in this lecture we will see the problem based on the previous result, the three results which we have already discussed in the last lecture. So in this lecture we will solve two problems based on the result. So first problem is 4 sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A is equal to sin 3A. Okay, we have to prove this. So what I will do, I will consider LHS. So consider LHS is equal to 4 into sin A into sin of 60 minus A into sin of 60 plus A. Okay, so this is 4 sin A. What I will do, I will apply the result on sin this term and sin this term. Okay, so sin A plus B. So what is the formula we know? We know the formula for sin A plus B into sin A minus B, which is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Okay, this is the result we know. So what is A? A here is 60, right? So compare this. A is 60 and B is what? B is A. So therefore LHS is equal to 4 sin A. This sin A minus B, sin A plus B is what? Sin square A. What is A? A is 60 minus sin square B. What is B? B is nothing but A. B is nothing but A. So therefore this is equal to 4 sin A into what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 minus this is sin square A. Correct? Now square it. So what you will get here? 4 sin A root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4 in minus sin square A. Okay, so do the cross multiplication here. So you will get 4 sin A into 3 ones are 3, right, minus 4 sin square A. 4 sin square A divided by what? Divided by 4. So this 4 and 4 get cancelled. Correct? This 4 and 4 get cancelled, and what this 4 and 4 get cancelled, and what you will get here? Sin A into 3. This is 3 sin A. Sin A into sin square A, which is sin cube A. So 4 sin cube A. So what I got? 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. And what is this? This is nothing but the formula of sin 3A. And therefore we prove that in the RHS you will get sin 3A. Okay, we will solve the example number 2. The question is, prove that tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A. Okay, so for this I need the formula of tan A plus B and A minus B. So what is tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula, right? Tan A plus B is, if you have plus, then in the numerator we have plus and denominator I have a minus. So if you have a minus, then this will be minus and this will be plus. Okay, so if you have a minus, then we have a here minus and this is plus. So apply these two. So consider LHS. LHS is what? Tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A. Okay, so apply here tan A plus B formula and A minus B formula. So here you will get tan A. What is tan A minus B? Tan A minus B is tan A. A is what? 60 minus tan B. B is what? A divided by 1 plus tan A means 60 into tan B. B means A. So compare the two. A is 60, B is A. Similarly, here tan 60 plus A. So tan 60 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan 60 into tan A. Okay. So I apply these two results, this formula. I apply this formula tan A plus B and A minus B. So here tan A into, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is nothing but root 3, right? So this is root 3 minus tan A divided by 1 plus root 3 tan A, and this is also root 3 plus tan A divided by 1 minus root 3 into tan A. So now this can be written as tan A into, this is A minus B, A plus B. What is A minus B, A plus B? This is A square. This is A square minus B square. B square means tan A square divided by A plus B, A minus B. So this will be 1 square minus root 3 square is 3 and tan is tan square A. We can write this as tan square A also. You can write this as tan square A also. So root 3 square minus tan square A, 1 square, क्योंकि 1A plus B, A minus B. So A square minus B square means 3, root 3 square is 3 and tan square A. Now simplify this. So what you will get? Tan A, root 3 square is 3 minus tan square A divided by 1 square is 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay. So this is the next step. Now multiply this tan A inside. So what you will get? 3 into tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 into tan square A. Right? I multiply this tan A inside. So what you will get? This term. But what is this? This is the formula of tan 3A. So if you know the result or some formulas, then this is very easy to prove any example. Okay, so this is the formula of tan 3A. So I have written tan 3A, which is nothing but your RHS. So if you understood this, then please subscribe, share and comment on video.